please describe how important it is to close the doors and windows or put curtains over these at the time of Maghrib, and what can be the harms of neglecting this sunnah. The Prophet's hadith, alayhi salatu wasalam, which was narrated by Bukhari and Muslim and others, he said, cover the pots and tie the leather containers, water containers. Close the doors, put off your lanterns, because the devil does not untie a water container, does not open a closed door, and does not uncover a covered pot. There are many hadiths, and all of these hadiths state that once it is sunset, it is night time, that we should do a number of things. These things all revolve around protecting us from the devils, the jinn. And this is understood from the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ. When someone enters the house and he closes the door of the house saying Bismillah, the shaitan, the devil, tells his companions, we cannot spend the night here. And when he eats his dinner and says Bismillah, the shaitan tells his companions, we've lost dinner and we've lost a sleeping place. So this protects us from the shaitan, to say Bismillah. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, there is one night every year where a certain illness or disease comes down from the skies. And any vessel, any plate, any pot that is uncovered, it will enter it. So you must cover all pots or cups or plates or food. Even if you just place one miswak on it, this would prevent it from entering. And likewise with closing the doors, with tying the water containers, etc. Now, having said that, scholars say that all of these are recommendations and not mandatory. So if you don't cover the plate, no problem, it's not haram. If you don't close the doors and you leave it partially open, there's no problem in that, it's not haram. But you're going against the sunnah. As far as the windows, I did not see any mentioning of it in any hadith. But most likely, scholars compared it to doors, being a place where a person can exit or enter to the house from. But there is nothing of mentioning curtains or closing the windows. It's only for the doors. And hence, most likely, people in rural areas or in cities, when the weather is fine, they don't turn on their air conditionings and they need to open the windows for a current of fresh air. There's no problem in that, none whatsoever.